folks, JD here, and today I thought we would take another little drone up with the FPV Goggles. Today though, I'm going to take up a new one that I haven't flown on goggles yet, which is this, the Hubsan H122D. Now as you remember, a little while ago I took this up, I loved it, I thought it was a very good entry-level drone, especially for the price. Unfortunately the version I bought did not come with the goggles because all that particular versions, because they were so cheap, they flew out really quickly. So I've now got my Crazepony FPV goggles. I've tuned it into this particular frequency, so I thought we'd take this up and have a little flight of it, see exactly how it does through the goggles, because there was a little while ago when I did my live stream, a guy on there turned around and said, oh, I've heard it's really laggy. So I thought, oh wow, that's really kind of stayed with me, and I thought, right, okay, I need to test to see if this is actually the case. Now this isn't on the actual Hubsan goggles you get with this particular fella, so yeah, this is going to be on a different set of goggles, but at least if it is laggy, you're going to see it on those goggles as well. So there we are folks, let's take her up.